Paper Beam Truss Bridge Challenge continues. So here we have a dried framework. This is the roadway and this is the superstructure. And we're going to continue adding our pieces. So you can see how this is going to work. Start out with your template, your full scale template, 9-inch span and 11 inches in length. So the bridge is longer than the span, so it doesn't fall through. Once you have this all drawn out nice and neat, straight lines, no freehand, you're ready for your wax paper, which goes on top and protects the template. Keeps the glue from getting all over and sticking to it. You lay out your pieces and you glue them together using the template as your guide. You can also use some masking tape to hold things down so they don't move while the glue is drying. I got a little overzealous with the glue. Obviously you don't need that much. I used too much there. I will cut this off with some scissors and I will continue building. So this is the process. As I said, you can have a roadway and a superstructure. You can have a roadway and maybe a substructure if you want to design a substructure underneath your deck. Or you could have both. You could have a superstructure and a substructure. But again, you have to keep track of how much paper you're using. This is 1/2 sheet of paper just for this one piece. This is a 1/2 sheet on top, but I only used 8 out of 11 inches. So we can do the math on that, and we would get 8/22 of a piece of paper. Okay, over here it's 2 out of 11, so we would have 2/11 of a piece of paper, and so forth and so on. So we'll add all these up, add these pieces up to know how much paper we're using. And we'll spend a little more time on the mathematics involved with the fractions and how to keep track of how much paper you're using. So remember, you're going to have 2 of these when we're done. All right, this is one side of the bridge, this is the other side of the bridge, and then we'll have some pieces that go across here. I'll do a separate lesson on that. So for today, you should be focusing on your trusses. Your truss can look however you want it to look. If you Google simple trusses and look at images, you'll see a whole bunch of different types of trusses that you can choose from, or you can design your own truss. You can invent your own truss design. See how it works out. So it's a tedious process, and the glue joints, we'll talk about how to make them stronger in the next video, but this is the direction you should be heading. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.